Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Leos. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Leos, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's see what are these cards. We have Wheel of Fortune, Nine of Pentacles and Five of Pentacles. So in your situation, guys, Leos, it may be in your career situation or in your relationship. You are seeing things clearly today. You have clarity by the way things are going. You are happy for certain things today, guys. You have that you are feeling really cheerful for the achievements you have reached in your life today. The material things you have, maybe the things you possess, and the people you have, maybe the people you love, your family, friends, and you are happy for whatever material possessions, maybe your car or house, whatever it is. So some kind of contentment, emotional satisfaction because of your situation. But in certain things you really feel worried, anxious about certain things. It may be a situation in your career, maybe some a delay or suspensions you are seeing today in your career situation, or some kind of a hard a negative situation, something indicating financial loss, some project suspensions, something giving you worries, and you don't know how to rectify that situation, guys. You are trying hard, doing your best, putting all your skills and talents into work, doing work with concentration, but whatever it is, you are seeing some a negative impact in certain things. So it may be a negative impact in your career or it may be in your relationship, but you need to understand that the way things are going in your life, guys, certain things are going right, certain things may not, and the reason may be destiny. So it is nothing you are doing, it is not your your lack of capacity or skill. It just means that whatever is meant to be will be, guys. That is what is happening today. So even in this connection or in your love situation or in your work situation, whatever is supposed to be happening is what is happening today, guys. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. It is Hangman in reverse. So in your relationship, guys, there is a lot of confusion going on. You don't know what to decide or what to think or what to do. So a lot of confusion. Maybe you are selfish or this person is selfish. But if you want a meaningful connection with someone, you have to give up your selfishness, guys. That is the beginning of love or a beautiful relationship, truthful relationship. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, Leos. It is Lovers in reverse. So in your career situation, there may be some delays or suspensions, just like I said. You are seeing it may be some mistakes on your part or someone's mistakes. That is the reason for the situation today, guys, Leos. So that is the reading for y'all today, Leos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Leos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. Let's see what is the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, it is Blessing of Zara. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation you are given a blessing or a guidance. So something is obstructing the way of fulfillment in your life, unfoldment, a divine unfoldment, and opportunities are coming towards you to shed the toxins, whatever was not working for you. It may be at the physical level, emotional, or psychological level. So sometimes you may understand it consciously, sometimes you may not, but you are in the process of detoxing right now, guys, giving up old thoughts, feelings, pains and struggles, memories from the past flooding you, and you are just expelling all that negativity from your being, and you are moving towards full radiance, vitality. And maybe if you are unwell, if you are sick or suffering from some sickness, you are healing from that, guys, and you are back to good health, recovering to good health, and you are finding that radiance in your soul today, guys, and it is only a matter of time you reach back to your original glory today, guys. And also this card comes with the special guidance. Maybe you are pained because something is leaving you, something which you love is no longer there, but you need to understand that it may be a person or a circumstance. You are seeing inevitable changes to it because it may not support you anymore, guys, and it is not something that is good for you. Something much more beautiful is waiting for you, loving and beautiful. So you just need to rise up and move forward towards that and not brood over the past. So that is the energy with this card, guys. And that time of healing or detox or shining with that previous glory or brilliance is imminent, and you need not worry. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who choose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have Hope. So in our situation, guys, often we see or we hear struggles or troubles in our life, and we feel hopeless and heavy at heart. We don't know what we'll be able to do, how to help people, how to do anything about it. So we just simply observe and we do nothing. It is impossible for us to change the whole world, but we can start with some small acts of kindness or help in our situation, guys. So we can do something which we are really passionate about. Maybe a small thing will make a huge difference in someone's life. So when we dedicate our time, resources or finances to make a difference in that area, it is going to change the way things are for someone else. And when we work with like-minded people, we will help ourselves to realize the purpose of our life, and it will bring us hope and faith in future. So we can start with some small acts of help or kindness, and it will instill hope and a sense of purpose in that person's life to whom we are showing our compassion or kindness, and it will instill hope in their lives too. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all today. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.